Welcome back to Taylor's Kitchen, a real quick one. Midweek with potatoes left over. I'm going to show you how to make potato cakes. Cue the music. So you've got potatoes left over, and the easiest thing to do is they are cold, put them into a bowl like this. And this is a great midweek meal, and you can have these with chives in. You can have them on their own, have them for breakfast. You can reheat them, you can put them into the toaster, and it's so easy to do. So flour, and all I want to do is I just want to bring these together, but I don't want to make a mash. Okay, because what we want pieces in there, and there's no eggs in it. It's literally what you see is what you get. Probably in here. Got a cutter. Put it onto the tray. So that is it. In the oven, bring it out, cover it with butter, let it melt. Fantastic.
Just like the sunrise needs the sky, just like a blackbird needs to fly, I gotta have you by my side, 'cause you make me feel alright. I thank my lucky stars that light